my name is Alex Flores, and we did a full kitchen remodel and the entire floors for our house remodel. The process of finding a contractor for our remodel project was very easy. I saw an advertisement on Facebook for affordable interiors, and I just clicked on it and read the reviews. I think we contacted maybe one other person that took 3 weeks to respond to us, and by then affordable interiors had already come to our house and given us a quote, and we already had a contract. The process of remodeling with affordable interiors went well at the beginning. We had a couple of hiccups, but we had the project manager and the contractors come take a look at it, and they did anything in their power really to help us fix the problem and make sure we are 100% happy with our project. It did take a little bit longer than expected, but it was worth it in the end because it's exactly how we had pictured it. So for those that are looking to remodel during COVID times, Affordable Interiors has done a great job in our house. They only send a couple number of people every day, so they don't send the entire team. That's not allowed in the home. And everybody that comes has been wearing their masks and sanitizing their hands, and we felt pretty safe during the entire process, so I highly recommend it. I think the best experience we've had with Affordable Interiors has been how fast their response was when we first started our contract and walking us through the steps to the time they started the project. And the project manager connects with me, like I have his phone number and he has my phone number, and we text each other and things to coordinate throughout the process. So that's been the best experience, has been the communication part.